As you can see, we have Arduino Uno, breadboard, and LCD. Program 1 brings the lab's cover artwork to life on the LCD. Using the Arduino's Liquid Crystal library, we render symbols for peace, love, and code. This demonstrates how LEDs transform binary data into visual messages, ideal for branding or status displays in embedded system. Program 2, Marquee Message. Light-dependent resistors control scrolling messages. The program will be controlled by two light-dependent resistors in displaying the two marquee messages. That is, if the left LDR has sense, it will display the marking message from left to right direction, like Welcome to the PUP CPE department. Otherwise, it will display the marking message Goodbye, see you again next time, from left to right direction. Program 3, a decimal calculator. We have keypad-driven calculator for arithmetic operations. The following mathematical operations, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The LCD shows both the expression and result. The code parses keypad inputs, executes math operations, and handles errors like division by zero. Imagine these in portable field devices or educational tools. Program 4, Password-Driven Piezo Buzzer. The objective here is secure access system with sound feedback. This security system prompts, enter your password. 3 attempts are allowed. Correct passwords trigger a musical tone on the piezo buzzer and a left to right LED chase. Wrong inputs play an error tone and blink LEDs erratically. After 3 failures, it locks and displays access denied. Program 5, DIY LCD Keypad Video Game. The objective here is interactive game with sound and graphics. Using the keypad for controls, like 2 is up and 8 is down, players navigate a character on the LCD. Collisions trigger sound via the piezo buzzer. The game logic tracks scores and lives. These leverage the LCDs for sprites and for the effects, and less possible for arcade-style projects.